just waiting. So if you're in the inside lane, you stay in the inside lane. If you're outside lane, you stay in the outside lane. That's that blue Mustang with the drag radials on the back. Cobra, probably twin turbo. Got the Brembo brakes. I'm gonna go up and check traffic. Then I'm waiting. Blue Mustang. You gonna let me over? Yes, he let me over. Man, thank you. Woo! We are working together. That was a little stressful. Okay? So you got to be able to communicate. You don't have to be disrespectful. Use your blinker. Okay. Now we're kind of back in the rural area. A lot of beautiful suburban homes here. We have deer to the left, deer to the right. We're kind of now in a suburban area, open area. Got to be mindful. I'm scanning, taking time, making sure I have good speed control, and just trying to be patient. I took another route, so you need to know more than one route when you're driving. When you take your road test, the tester will have a prescribed route that has 7 to 14 stop signs, that has a certain number of right turns, left turns. And if it's an accident or heavy traffic, they could have an alternate route. Now, there's a flag person. This warning construction sign means there's a flag person ahead, because they're always building out here in this area. So we need to make a right turn at the light. So 100 feet or half a block, we're going to turn on our blinker, and we're going to turn it on about now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Can we get 9 more thumbs up? Can we get double digits? I'm not going to run the light. It's not that serious. That will cause you to fail your test. Then I'm going to come up and stop. Okay. They're repaving the road. Just checking traffic, being patient. That car jumped. See how that car jumped? That's how accidents happen. Okay, I make my turn, I accelerate through. So what if you would have turned and a car would hit us? It would have been their fault. Let's talk about lane positioning. We're using our hood line reference points to keep our car straight. Solid white line to the right. Broken yellow lines means we can change lanes if we have to. So I took a detour of about 2 miles, and I'm looking at cars will just stop and turn. That car kind of threw me off. No blinker. Really dangerous. This is why you have good speed control and good patience. I'm looking ahead at the burgundy vehicle ahead of us. I'm looking ahead at the light. It's red. I'm off the gas. I'm going to get over to the right. And we have to stop behind the stop line. Looks like that blue Mustang is still following. Here's our stop line. We have the crosswalk. Hey, if this is bringing you value, please give this a thumbs up. As an instructor, I'm trying to make content to help all drivers, adult drivers, teen drivers, mature drivers. Ohio has passed laws. Many different states now have requirements for people in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s. You have to have a complete physical. You have to take a standardized test. There's no more automatic passes. So this will bring you value. This will help you as I'm showing you how to drive. And also, if this is bringing you value, you need to click the link in the bio to purchase some of the digital products. We partner with Stand Store, and they, in combination with me, we put together some digital products to help you learn how to drive. And also, if you want a coaching call, you can set up a coaching call with me. I'm available Friday after 1 o'clock. but maintaining good speed. Here's the soccer mom in a white minivan flying, right? And people are in a hurry. Got to go home, help the kids. So we're maintaining good speed right now. And then she's going to tailgate or cut me off. There's the cutoff. I'm keeping space. There's the light. I'm not going to run the light. It's not that serious. And then I squeeze my brakes. You learned the lesson. Take your time. So what if you would have ran the light? It probably would have been okay. But I want you to know right from wrong, because I want you to pass your test. And that's one of the most important things. Passing your test, being a safe driver. That next light is going to stop all of those cars anyway, because they're timers on these lights. And then also there's a railroad ahead, and we have to look left and right. So I'm going to talk about that. You're going to see cars turning real fast, real short. They're flying through. And we're just taking our time. This can apply anywhere. UAE, United States, Canada. We're at 15% on the battery, so we should be okay. Got a few more minutes here. Got that warning sign. So I have to show you what you need to do over the railroad crossing. And if you're not already subscribed, you need to subscribe. One, I'm a state certified driving instructor. Two, I'm going to help you pass your test. I look left and right. I'm going to give you real life situations, and I go live at least 3, if not more, times during the week to talk about the road test, knowledge, what you need to do to become a better driver. I'm going to use the ball of my foot and gradually slow down. And you're going to see the car gradually slow down, right? And just taking our times. Intersections are the most dangerous place where you can end up getting hurt. We saw the rear of the tires on the ground. We're looking left and right. Take your time. We want to be patient. We want to do a good job. Applying a proper stopping position in residential areas. Completing left and right lane changes in high traffic. We did that. Establishing reference points for turning, moving forward, and to do right and left turns to enter the roadway at a proper time. You're getting so much value right now. They just turned on their blinker. I'm going to proceed across the thoroughfare. And then I'll be making a right turn on the street. So 100 feet, a half a block. Blinkers on. 2 blinks. 3 blinks. 4.